Hello children, good morning. So today we are going to discuss isomerism in coordination compound. Since we all know that what is isomerism, हामीले organic मा पनि गरेका छौं what is isomerism. Let me just tell you about isomerism. Compounds having same molecular formula but possesses different structural formula as well as some properties are said to be isomers, and the phenomenon is known as what? Isomerism. Organic chemistry we have done the two major, isomerism has been classified in two major class. What are these? Like structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. Alright, here also we have same thing, structural isomerism and stereoisomerism, but in stereoisomerism, this is there in organic chemistry also. We have two types, geometrical isomerism as well as what? Optical isomerism. यो unit में हामीले के गर्छौं? First we will go through the structural isomerism. र यहाँको structural isomerism and the structural isomerism of organic chemistry is somehow what? Different. भिन्न छ. Alright, but optical isomerism को almost similar pattern, cis, trans, rotate plane, polarized light. We'll discuss this afterwards. Let's finish first structural isomerism. Alright. So, what is structural isomerism? As we all know that compounds, two or more compounds having same molecular formula but having or possesses different structural formula are said to be what? Structural isomers, and phenomenon is known as what? Structural isomerism. And now for the first type of structural isomerism in coordination compound is the very simple. यो चारटै simple छ हामीलाई easy छ. यहाँबाट maximum के हुन्छ? You will be given the pair. You have to identify what type of isomers are these, or sometimes you will be asked defined with example, all right, or give examples of ionization isomers like this. And sometimes the most important part is identify what type of isomers are these, and if they are ionization isomers, give a chemical test to distinguish between this pair. Your pair like distinguish garnuko lagi, you have to give a chemical test. Alright. Now here what is ionization? Look at ionization. If a compound ionize in solution gives two charged particle, as you all know that cations and anions, we call these as what? Ionization. Like suppose I have a covalent compound, say HCl. If I dissolve this thing in water, it will ionize into two parts. One is H plus, another one is what? Cl minus. So you see here also same thing. Those isomers which in its aqueous solution or which on dissolving in water furnishes or give us two different ions, ionized ions, are simply known as what? Ionization isomers. Here, when you dissolve this pair of compounds separately in water, say a solvent, it ionizes and give us, one of them will give us sulfate ions, another one give us what? Bromide ions. So such type of isomerism is known as what? Ionization. Here हेर, अब यसलाई राम्रोसँगले हेर्दाखेरि यो ब्रेक हुन्छ, सल्फेट 2 माइनस यो प्लस हुन्छ, इजन्ट. सो यहाँ हामीले के पाउँछ? दिस गिभ अस what? SO4 2 minus, and this no doubt positive. How much positive? 2 positive will be there. Similarly here, if it give us what? Br minus on ion. This is ionizing part, this is your ionizing part. What is your ionizing part? Sulfate. And what is your ionizing part here? Your ionizing part is bromide. So such type of iso. Otherwise take a look. 1 cobalt, okay, cobalt, central metal. 5 amine, 1 bromo, 1 sulfate, 1 sulfate. Means their molecular formula is same, but they have different structural formula. On top of this, के छ यहाँ? Sulfate बाहिर छ, यहाँ bromide बाहिर छ. यसले bromide ion दिन्छ, यसले sulfate. So such type of isomers is known as what? Ionization isomers. Here I have another example. PtNH3 whole 4 Cl2. Coordination number of platinum is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. Here also PtNH4 NH3 whole 4 Br2 means यसको पनि coordination number 6 हो. यसको पनि because we have 6 ligands. Here also we have 6 ligands. But outside this ionizing space, outside this complex, take a look. What you have? We have bromide here. It give us what ions? Br minus. All right, and it give us what ions? Cl minus. Definitely what? Cl minus. So such type of isomers having same molecular formula but on dissolving in water give us different ions are known as ionization. अब यहाँ suppose extra question के हुन्छ higher secondary ICSE मा के सोच्छ give a chemical test to distinguish between this pair. So look at here sulfate. What we have? Bromide. Class 10 देखि गर्दै गरेको हुन्छ हामीले. Give a chemical test to distinguish sulfate or identify sulfate. Suppose sulfuric acid छ कसरी डिटेक्ट गर्छ भन्दाखेरि we have to add barium chloride solution. If you add barium chloride solution to this isomers, it give us a white precipitate of barium sulfate. All right. Whereas if you add silver nitrate solution to this, it give us a pale yellow PPT. Pale yellow PPT पाउँछ यहाँनिर silver nitrate हाल्दा यहाँनिर barium chloride हाल्दाखेरि what you will get a curdy white PPT. Similarly here bromide र chloride को give a chemical test भनेपछि के गर्छ तिमीले what you need to do add silver nitrate. Remember add silver nitrate here, silver nitrate solution as well as silver nitrate solution. What you will see here, you will get a what colored pale yellow PPT or say yellow PPT over here, and here you will get a curdy white PPT. Alright, so this way you can distinguish a pair of ionization isomers. Now the second type of that we have here is solvate or hydrate. Look at solvate or hydrate means it is related to water. That's hydrate means nothing but your water. So such isomers which differs due to placement of water molecule is nothing but your give us what isomers bandakiri hydrate isomers. Look at here hydrate isomers. If you take a look on the first example here, take a look. The coordination number of chromium is 6. Kasari 6 hydrate water is there. All right, how many water? 5 plus 1 6, 4 plus 2 6. Now take a look here. Here 6 water molecule is inside the complex portion or in complex part. But here what in the next example, one of the water molecule from here has been taken outside and one chlorine from here has given what complex. All right, now here one of the chlorine is acting as a ligand. Similarly here 2 water molecules as a ligand has been given outside or has been taken outside, and 2 chlorine like one more chlorine has been introduced here. So altogether the coordination number of chromium is 6, but the number of water molecule here is 6 inside the complex part. Here it is 5, here it is 4, and 1 molecule has gone outside, 2 molecule has got outside. So such type of isomerism is known as what isomerism? Hydrate isomerism. And we have some color. These compounds are colored. This is violet in color, this is light green in color, and this is what? Dark green in color. So these are the example of what? Hydrate isomers. Okay children, now we have third type of structural isomerism in coordination compound, and that is your linkage isomerism. And what is linkage isomerism, or what do you mean by linkage isomerism, or what are linkage isomers? Is the simplest one. Take a look. Isomers having same molecular formula but differ in the mode of attachment of ligand to the metal atom or ion. Mode of attachment भनेको जुन चाहिँ हाम्रो ligand हुन्छ, कहिले नाइट्रोजनले linkage गरेको हुन्छ, or sometimes in another isomers ma oxygen. Like here, take a look. I have a pair of compound, means these two are linkage isomers. कसरी भन्दाखेरि यहाँ हेर molecular formula is same. Yeah, molecular formula is same. Why? Cobalt 5amine 5amine, ONO or NO2, you can say NO2. All right, then Cl2, this is also Cl2, means molecular formula is same. But look at here, the mode of attachment. ONO लेखेको छ भने because these are ambidentate ligand, यताबाट पनि लिंक गर्नु सक्छ, अक्सिजनले लिंक गर्नु सक्छ, और नाइट्रोजनले लिंक गर्नु सक्छ. तर यो कम्पाउन्डमा which atoms has linked or made the coordinate bond with cobalt? Oxygenले, as you can see here. All right, यो मैले यसरी देखाएको छु. Take a look. Cobalt is a simple, this is the rough diagram, this is no doubt it is octahedral. So here 5 amines has been written here, and here is the most important point. यहाँ को लिंक गर्दैछ भन्दाखेरि सेन्ट्रल मेटलसँग को लिंक गर्दैछ भन्दाखेरि हाम्रो के छ यो oxygen. But here same compound, but the coordinate bond has been formed by nitrogen. All right, so such type of isomers possesses or having same molecular formula but the mode of attachment जुन चाहिँ लिङ्क्ड गर्छ सेन्ट्रल मेटलसँग कहिले सल्फरले गर्छ कहिले suppose nitrogenले गर्छ. Alright, in another example you may also see is there in the book also. So just I need to explain you what do you mean by linkage isomers. I think this is clear to you all. Alright, so we will go to the fourth type now. Bye. Okay children, now the fourth type of structural isomerism that we have is coordinate isomerism, which arises due to interchange of ligands between cationic and anionic entities of different metal ions in the complex. Alright, भनेको के हो भन्दाखेरि राम्रोसँगले हेर्दा take a careful look over here. What you will see, cobalt with 6 amines means hexaamine cobalt, definitely 3, and here you have hexacyanidochrome. अच्छा, अब यहाँ चाहिँ के हुँदैछ भन्दाखेरि यो कोबाल्ट यो क्रोमियमलाई टिपेर हामीले यहाँ ल्याउँछौँ, यसलाई टिपेर हामी यहाँ लान्छौँ. हेर, अब यहाँ कोबाल्ट थियो पोजिटिभ कम्प्लेक्समा, क्रोमियम थियो नेगेटिभ कम्प्लेक्समा, ठीक छ. तर यहाँ चाहिँ अहिले इन्टरचेन्ज, लेट्स चेन्ज द पोजिसन अफ क्रोमियम फ्रम दिस टु दिस एन्ड कोबाल्ट फ्रम दिस टु दिस. व्हाट यू विल सी हियर, क्रोमियम hexaamine chromium 3. Now chromium is in positive what complex and cobalt is in your negative what complex. So such type of isomerism is known as what, coordinate isomerism. Very simple छ, हेर्दा कम्प्लेक्स हेर्दा साह्रो छ तर राम्रोसँगले हेर्दा केही गर्नु पर्दैन. एउटाको फर्मुला लेख्यौ, ए हो यहाँ नेगेटिभमा क्रोमियम छ पोजिटिभमा कोबाल्ट छ. What type of complex are these? These are coordinate complex. Isn't हामीले अगाडि गरेको छ, लास्ट क्लासमा गरेको छ. र यहाँ चाहिँ मैले के गर्दैछु, जस्ट यसको आइसोमर्स पार्टनर बनाउनको लागि we had to change this chromium to from here to here and cobalt here. Take a look here, CuNH3 tetraamine cuprate copper, tetraamine copper, definitely 2, and here what you have, tetrachloroplatinate 2 name. Alright, so now what you can see, platinum is present in anionic complex, copper is present in cationic complex. Now interchange, change their position. Bring platinum here, take copper here. So what you will see here, PtNH3 Now platinum is in which complex? Positive complex, and copper is in negative complex. So such type of isomers are known as coordinate isomers. So this is all about your structural isomerism. A little definition definitely you have to study, but the most important thing is you must go through the example. This will help you a lot. Okay. Now the second kind of isomerism that is shown by coordinate compounds are stereoisomerism. Alright, in stereoisomerism the first kind is geometrical isomers, and these geometrical isomers mainly occurs in heteroleptic. Heteroleptic भनेको अहिले म आउँदैछु, भनेको different types of ligands must attached with central metal. त्यसलाई हामीले भन्छौँ heteroleptic. Alright, but suppose you have a compound like this, compound like suppose MA4. Alright, this is not heteroleptic. किन भन्दाखेरि suppose this is your ligands, same type of ligands has been attached with central metal. So such type of compounds will not show your geometrical isomers, except these were some more, but mainly it will be shown by your what you call heteroleptic isomerism. So, and what type of complexes means what would be the coordination number of the central metal that shows you what geometrical isomerism means. Always remember, either it should be coordination number 4, having coordination number 4, or coordination number 6. And coordination number 4, we have the first kind, first type is square planar complex. Square planar complex means just एउटा किताब लियो हामीले, just imagine this is your a square, just imagine this is a square and we have 4 points over here, 4 corner, and this is the central position. So यहाँ हामीले एउटा ligands यहाँ हाल्छौँ, यहाँ हाल्छौँ, यहाँ हाल्छौँ, यहाँ हाल्छौँ, and central metal यहाँ. Alright, र यसको geometrical isomerism जस्तो हामीले अर्ग्यानिक केमिस्ट्रीमा पढेको छु, cis and trans, cis form and trans form. जस्तो यो मैले एउटा एक्जाम्पल लेखेको छु. फर्स्ट टाइप इज Ma2B2 or we have another kind also, but with Ma2AA B3 also it's let's see first whether it is possible or not. So take a look what I am making it here. I am drawing it here. Suppose this is our square, and here I am writing the central metal. What is your central metal in this case? This is your platinum. All right, and here I am writing 1 chlorine, I am writing 1 chlorine, I am writing 1 NH3, over here I am writing 1 NH3, and now in the next, and what is the reason? What is the reason for this geometrical isomerism? भन्दाखेरि हामीले the distribution or say attachment of what ligands in different plane in the 3-dimensional region, spatial arrangement of the two isomers, mean 3-dimensional arrangement of the two isomers must be what different. कसरी different हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि यहाँ 2 chlorines are on same side, 2 amines are on same side. Suppose यहाँ अर्को आउनु पनि सक्छ, केही छैन, but just concentrate 2 chlorine. Suppose यहाँ छ नाइट्रो छ, यहाँ एमिन छ, त्यो पनि हुन सक्छ, र दुईटा क्लोरिनलाई हामीले मेन लिए, दुईटा क्लोरिनलाई यतापट्टि लेख्न सक्छौं सेम साइड up and down or left hand side and right hand side. It is your choice. So these 2 chlorines are on the same side, but in the next isomers what I am doing, I am writing 1 chlorine here, 1 chlorine here, 1 amine here diagonally. All right, 1 amine here. So this is what form? This is definitely cis. Cis form. Cis form means same side, and here this is trans, means opposite side, trans form. So such things you have done in organic chemistry, but not of this compound. All right. So here we can say the shape of the molecule or complex is square planar, and what type of isomers are these? These are geometrical isomers. कसैले पनि बनाउनु, whenever you have to draw, just take your molecular formula. ABCD type पनि हुन सक्छ तिमीहरुलाई, र त्यो I'll show you this ABCD type. All right, or we have some another type also. So just concentrate here. We have first square planar one, then we will go for the harder one, that is your octahedral complexes, given by those complexes where the central metal atom possesses the coordination number or having the coordination number of how much? 6. Okay, student, let's do some more type. And second type is your Na2BC type, which is what? These two of them are going to be same ligands. Third and fourth ligands are different, as you can see here. Suppose B is your bromine, C is your chlorine, and A2 is your N. Alright? And this is the first type, the second type, and this is the third type. Suppose you have M, A, B, C, 4 different. PT, Br, Cl, Bromido, Chlorido, Ne, Prid. These are the 4 different. This type A, B, C. So this type of complex also give us what type of isomerism? Means geometrical isomerism. Alright? The spatial distribution of attachment of ligands with the central atoms going to be what different. So take a look. इसमें क्लिक होने पर ना formula में draw the geometrical isomers. You just draw it. Look at the coordination number. यहाँ पर क्या करते हैं? 3, 3, 4. So coordination number 4 बनने में ठीक we will go for what? Square planar. Square planar means you draw like this. Then write down the central metal in the middle, and here you can see you just write down suppose bromine here and chlorine. You all know this two belongs to the same family, halogens over the particular, and here amine like concentrate here, 2 amines are on the same side as well as 2 halogens are on the same side. Now continuously your amine here is bromine chlorine, that is also same thing. Alright, so what I call this cis form. Cis form. I will add interchange, cross talking. So what you will see here, like here, PT, central metal is your. Now bring this amine here, NH3, alright, and take this chlorine over here. So Cl, and here you have bromine, and here what here. So first take a look on these two amine. They are on the opposite side, so trans. Or you can consider these two. Bromine and halogens are on the opposite side. So this is what? Transform. So this is your transform, and this is your cis form. So this way you can draw the geometrical isomers, diagram of geometrical isomers having coordination number what? 4. Alright. Now, suppose you have a compound of the type Na4. Na4. Again, when you think Na4, sir. Is it geometrical isomers, sir? But again, you can say no. So, we are not only this. Suppose you have Na3b. Na3b. Suppose Na4. I am writing one on this PT. Suppose Cl4. Coordination number 4, sir. Or यहाँ दिएको छ हामीले PT, NH3, alright, and Cl3 दिएको छ. Suppose the coordination number of platinum is 4. यसको कसैले भन्छ C चाहिँ ट्रान्सफर्म हुँदैन. किन हुँदैन? You can draw like this: platinum, Cl, 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 Cl. अब जतिले चेन्ज गर्दा पनि यसको you cannot get what? Transform, because all the rules are same. Not only this, suppose you have been given this one, PT NH3. Alright, suppose मैंने इसे बनाया, यहाँ रखे platinum, alright, so यहाँ रखे chlorine and 3 amines in the 3 corners like this. इसको formula है but you book must but just the simple thing. अब amine and group are the same size of अच्छा मैंने amine use let's interchange. अब यहाँ interchange करके amine उठाने का लगा, alright, और यो chlorine का लगा but it also gives us what thing? दुईटा यो अनि इंटरचेंज गर्दा चाहिँ निस्किन्छ, that is what same, that is known as what isomers C. So this type of compounds, this type of complex having Na4 type or Na3b type will not give us what isomers? Geometrical isomers. Now the next one is here NABC. Alright, NABC, using a laser model NABCD. So PT, Br, Cl, then you have NH3, then you have Pd. Alright, Br. अब जस्तो Br यहाँ लेखिए, Cl, amine, Pd. अब यसको कसरी छुटाउनु? दुईटाले सेम मान्नु, प्रोटिनहरु यो दुईटा न्यूट्रल हो, मेक इट सेम. अलराइट, सेम मान्नु, यो न्यूट्रल हो, यो पनि न्यूट्रल हो. सारो प्रोसेस छ. ओके, both halogen belongs to same family. These two halogens are on the same side of the plane. एउटा प्लेन मानिन्छ, यसको सेम साइडमा छ नि. ओके, दिस इज सेम फर्म. अब म के गर्छु? यसलाई डायगोनल लान्छु. यहाँ लान्छु ब्रोमिन, यहाँ लान्छु क्लोरिन. अलराइट, यहाँ लान्छु एमिन, यहाँ लान्छु क्लोरिन. So this is what form? Transform. This is what form? Cis form. That's finished. So these are some geometrical isomers whose structural formula we have written. Now the next type of geometrical isomers with those complexes which we call octahedral. Octahedral complexes. Alright, octahedral complexes. What should be the coordination number of the central metal? Central metal must have coordination number. Coordination number 6. Just here, first type 1. Type 1 is इसको धेरै टाइप छ. Na4b2. Na4b2. See, your A is your amine, B is your chlorine. Alright. So draw the structural isomers of this is very simple. You keep on nothing. You can draw like one amine. इसको facial or radial हुन्छ, but let's not go for that thing. So you have chlorine. Alright. You have amine. You also what amine. यो चाहिँ कस्तो भन्दाखेरि एउटा हामीले पेपर लियौं. सपोज यो एउटा पेपर लिएर so this is your paper. Just imagine this is your straight planner. That's a hand here. Pass. Alright. Means now you can see if यहाँ देखिए यो bond हुन्छ, यहाँ देखिए यो bond, यहाँ देखिए यो यहाँ, यसरी यहाँ पनि हुन्छ. The shape of the molecule is said to be what? Octahedral. यो चार नाम भयो हाम्रो. Alright. तर यहाँ माथि above the plane and below the plane. So we can draw like this. This is which you are going to draw is I'm showing you here is like this. So this is your center metal. Center metal मेरे यहाँ से paper में. Your side में दुईटा amine हालेको छु. यता side में दुईटा chlorine हालेको छु. Okay, one is above, one is below the plane. But two amines are on the same side. You can take this. So such type of isomers are considered to be what? Isomers. That is your cis form. This is your what form? Cis form. यसलाई हामीले cis form भन्छ. यसको ट्रान्सफर्म बनाउनु भने के गर्नु पर्दैन दुईटा क्लोरिन यता हाल्दै अलराइट एमिनलाई यता as it is so we can draw we have made what transform and here also you have other example what is this so यसमा अलिकति कन्फ्युजन छ तर क्लोरिनलाई कन्सिडर गर्दा हुन्छ बिकज अलवेज B2 लाई हेर्नुपर्छ B2 अलराइट सो हामी मैले क्यापिटल लेखेछु must be what smaller. So B2 must be separated diagonally. यहाँ पनि हाल्न सक्छ तिमीहरूले दुईटा क्लोरिन एउटा क्लोरिनलाई यहाँ हाल्दा पनि it becomes your trans. But मैले के गर्छु above the plane and below the plane गरिदिएको छु. So what form is this? Transform. Alright. And the other form is here. Another type is here. Ma2B2C2. Ma2B2C2. भनेको चाहिँ example के छ मेरो PT Br2Cl2 NH2. Two bromine, two chlorine, मैले same side राखिदिएको छु. Hence, this is what form? cis form. मिलाएर छेउछेउमा राखेको छु. Alright, they are on the same side. But यहाँ के गर्छ? ट्रान्सफर गर्नु भन्दाखेरि ब्रोमिनलाई यता लगे, क्लोरिनलाई above and below. एमिनलाई के गरे डायरेक्ट. You can also make this क्लोरिनलाई यहाँ हाल्न सक्छ, एमिनलाई यहाँ हाल्न सक्छ. So opposite side one, hence it is what? Transform. So in this way we have some more type here. So the next type is your suppose bidentate ligands. Bidentate ligands which gets linked and that is also very important. Let's try this thing. Okay, so here this is the third type. Here we have AA2 or say AA2 means it is here like this. AA2 means it is a bidentate ligands. I want to put this two bidentate ligand is there. So coordination number is not out. This is also coordination number is 6. For example, you have CO, Cl2, En2. Here A is your ethylene diamine. Alright. Now, whenever you have to draw this thing, the cis and trans K channel just draw two chlorine here, and this is nitrogen. This is the donor. ये चीज तभी लिखी है उसका simple solution. यहाँ donor is the nitrogen. This is with this what you call forward through this corner and this corner, and here it means two chlorines are on the same side. You can see these two are at the same time, so we can take this as what? Cis form. So this is cis form. Now I am going to take this over here. One chlorine here, next chlorine here, and two ethylene diamine on the opposite side of the plane. You plane मान लिँदाखेरि, यसलाई plane मान लिँदाखेरि, so यो तल माथि छ, यो side to side छ. So what form is this? Trans form. Alright. This is one of the very important compound that we have complex we have here because this is one of them give us what? Optical isomers. So these are the some type of geometric isomers we have here. And the next type of isomers, which is the last kind of isomers, is your optical isomers. As we all know that what is optical? Optical is related to light. Means isomers which has the property, which has the ability, which has the tendency to rotate plane polarized light either to clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. That is known as what? Optical isomers. Regarding plane polarized light, suppose your ordinary light here. Suppose this is your ordinary light. Ordinary light, we all know that vibrating all direction like this. Alright? This ordinary light vibrates in all directions. Now, if this ordinary light is passed through an equal prism, say equal prism, what will happen? When this ordinary light is passed through equal prism, a simple prism, what you will find? This will vibrate only in one direction, perpendicular to the path of what? Propagation. Light R को बाटो जुन चाहिँ हुन्छ, त्यसको पनि के हुन्छ? Vibrate only in one direction. Now, यसलाई polarimeter मा हालेर जुन चाहिँ अप्लिकेसन गर्छ हामीले र if you pass this light polarimeter मा लिएर when you pass this what you call plane polarized light through organic compounds, what you will observe is either it will vibrate towards the clockwise direction or towards the anti-clockwise direction. So those compounds has the ability to rotate it through clockwise direction. We call that isomers as dextro-rotatory. Dextro-rotatory. Alright? And the one which rotate in polarized right and left body anti-clockwise direction, that is levo-rotatory or L form. So the most important compound that we have here is a type MAA3. MAA3 one हाम्रो छ यो this complex. Alright? Tris-ethylene diamine cobalt 3. Alright? So now here, I draw first, I will bring my left foot is ethylene diamine, ethylene, then about the plane, then below. So here is the rotate picture. Alright, both. So we are going from left to what? We are going from left to right, means dextro-rotatory. And I think mirror image. So these two are what? Mirror images. So mirror image भन्दाखेरि अब यो के भयो यतादेखि यता रोटेट गर्छ and this is your rotate. But there has to be certain condition. If you have a plane of symmetry, POS, plane of symmetry. If a plane of symmetry is present, suppose you have a plane here. A plane of symmetry will divide the compounds into two equal halves. Alright? If that is present, that compound will not show you what optical isomerism. Superimposable एक अर्कालाई छोड्दैन यसलाई उठाऊ यसलाई टिपेर यसको माथि राख्दाखेरि you will not find this superimpose हुँदैन. Hence these two pair will show us what optical isomerism. So what are the type? This is your D form. Always remember your left to right जाँदाखेरि यो group line त्यसले गर्दा सजिलो हुन्छ. अदरवाइज क्लोरिन छ भने यो क्लोरिन देखिन आएको हामीले यसलाई अर्डरमा पनि दिन्छ. बट हियर above here this is side of the plane, above the plane, below the plane, below the plane. यता आउँदाखेरि first, then above the plane, then below the plane. So we will take this as what? Levo-rotatory. So this is one of the examples that we have regarding optical isomerism. And other type is this one. This is very important regarding IC and HS. This can show because geometrical isomers as well as optical isomers. But which form will give us optical isomerism? Not the transform. Transform within because it has got what? The mirror images will superimpose. Especially mirror image on the same answer. So this transform will never show us what? Optical isomer. Only the cis form shows us what? Form which will give us what? Geometrical, with the geometry of the sandesa, but it also give us what? Optical isomerism. So mirror images from let's make the mirror image of this one. So this compound, this isomers, if you make mirror, take it mirror and then draw the structure. If you draw like this, then we have here UCL. So what we will find here? Mirror image. What we will find? Superimpose. Exact same group this will not superimpose. Hence, these two mirror images will give us what? Optical isomerism. This is now this is the cis form. So you have a D form. Alright, chlorine, then this one, and this chlorine, then this one. So this is what? This is your L form. This is your electron polarized light anti-clockwise direction rotate cursor, whereas this will rotate again polarized light in clockwise direction. So this is all about your isomerism in coordination compound. In our next class, we will discuss the shape and structure of some coordination